If you are anything like me, your life is busy. But if you're an artist, you still want to explore creative possibilities, experiment with mediums, and just plain get better at what you love to do. Those of you who know me know how much I encourage daily drawing and painting. Of all of the lessons that I learned while in art school, I can honestly say that the seemingly simple act of gesture drawing daily was the most transformational. The repetitious and committed act of observation and exploration needed for gesture drawing taught me how to see. As artists, we record, react to, respond to everything we see, and our work grows out of that experience. Gesture drawing is about so much more than recording a likeness. It is a sensory exploration of line and form, shape, contrast. This gathered information is captured and becomes a part of our subsequent work, adding an undeniable richness. I am so convinced at the value of gesture drawing that I'm inviting you to join me in it this year. Starting May 1st, 2018, I will share inspiration and demonstration with the intent of encouraging you to commit with me to draw or paint daily. This is not a class. Think of it as a mentoring relationship. I'm here to encourage you and expose you to new ways of thinking and new ways of working. Option 1 brings you a classic gesture drawing demonstration. I will include a photo reference or references. Draw from that photo and share it with you. You will watch me in real time as I work through the process of gestural demonstration. I'll talk about the choices that I make and why I make them. We will be using common materials like charcoal and graphite, and I will also introduce other materials that are common but will be useful to you. Option 2 brings us extended drawings. These are gestural in nature, but they are developed further. The sessions are longer and the drawings will be more detailed. They will still be value studies, meaning they will be in black and white. But I may use watercolor, paint, inks, and more. Our third option covers a lot of ground. This piece or pieces will be brought to a full resolution, where I would call the drawing or painting complete. I will work in several different ways using many different mediums. I will expound upon my process, explaining my choices. Each of the options will include a supply list. Now, this is intended to be a daily drawing, but I know that sometimes you just don't have time to get to it. So these sessions will remain up for 1 month. Meaning, if a session is posted on August 1st, the July 1st session will be removed. When I add one on July 2nd, June 2nd will be removed. This will allow you some time to catch up if need be. I believe that everyone, regardless of your skill level, benefits from daily drawing. As usual, I will create a private Facebook group just for us. This is a place where you can share your work, ask questions, be encouraged, and encourage others. The great thing about this platform on Patreon You can join for a month or the whole year. You decide what fits best for you. I hope you decide to join me as we grow together.